So, this is the unboxing video of Lenovo computer, desktop computer, and this is a PC with Windows 8.1. It's the H30, as you can see here. Make a good clear cut here. Open the case. And this is the first part of the case. Then there's another box. It's a little bit smaller, but very heavy. Okay, this is it. This is the PC. So, and I pulled it out. It's quite heavy for the smallness. It's a very small computer. Quite the size of a PlayStation 3. And here it is, yes. This is the package. Now I open here. Oh, this is the back side, as you can see. Carefully stripping down the soft box, which protects the computer. And the shipping was from Germany. They sent it to Vienna. It took not even a week to arrive here in Austria. Oh, here it's nice. Now take off the plastic protectors. I'm not a very big fan of these things here. I always try to remove it as fast as possible. Some people like to keep it on. Here you can see it's an AMD desktop computer. Here is the central processing unit inside, and down here the graphic cards, of course. You cannot see very well. I will not open the case because it's for the warranty. It's better not to leave it, to open it, I mean. And here you can see clearly the blue. It's USB 3.0, and there are other two USB 2.0, and the network. And here you have the VGA monitor, and underneath it's the HDMI. Here's the audio output input, and the last thing, I don't know. Here is a graphic card. Oh, they put in another graphic card, again with VGA output or HDMI. Yes. So now I will prepare for the booting. So Before I boot, I will open, of course, the Bedienungsanleitung. There are some important security informations. And then, by the way, I can explain some of the features this computer has. It has AMD CPU, 4 cores and 6 gigabytes of RAM. And interesting detail is here, you pull in the power from the power supply and then you go in here directly into the main board. So there is no external power supply. And also included was a keyboard and a mouse. Of course I put the keyboard into the USB 2.0 slot and the mouse the same. It just needs USB 2.0 because it's not necessary to put it on a 3.0. The speed is not faster, so this is an important step to save some of the 3.0 slots for later. So after you connected all the cables in the back and also the power cable, which is that one under the red input, you can switch it on the computer. Should be there. Let's see. It's not working. So one more time, make sure that the power supply is connected and then press the on button. So as far as I can notice now is that because of the circumstance there are 2 graphic cards installed into the PC, I'm gonna take this out from above, from the top, and go with this VGA plug inside here. The computer is now running, so be careful. And now it's connected, and here you can see on the monitor this is the right plug in. So he's asking me now about the region and language, and here I will continue. Okay, there are some license agreements, and here are the first steps. So after the first steps, like putting name, you can assign a color and give the PC a name. I think I will stay with the standard Lenovo PC and the color blue. I stayed with the standard settings for automatic updates and everything. Optional, you could set in that screen a password, but I continued with the standard settings. So very nice. The computer says hello and gives me feedback that he's now preparing the system to launch. And there are also apps to download from the store. I think it's the same idea which has Apple computers. So this Lenovo computer from manufacturer Lenovo H30 Limited UK. So now the applications are about to be installed. Looking forward to see the Windows 8.1 surface. So this is the new surface of the Lenovo-computer H30 series, and it seems to be very quite okay. So here you have the start button with all the buttons here, and here the next page. So very modern and quite a lot of settings to do. Here you can shut down the computer and return to the desktop. It's here at the bottom. Okay, this was the video of unpacking and starting booting the first time Lenovo Computer Series H30. I hope you had enjoyed this and said thank you and goodbye.